Well, here we are. It's Sunday morning, and I've stopped at a friend of mine's shop. I rarely get into because, well, he sells the boat wood. It's amazing, and this furniture is all made in a little boat wood factory just up the street, and just such great stuff. Wow. I'm really surprised at what he has here. So cool. So this is the real stuff. I mean, there's boat wood furniture that is really not boat wood furniture, but this is all. He's actually gone and bought the boats, and you know, I've been in the little factory where he makes this stuff, but it's expensive. You know, it's really, really expensive. I love it though. Great colors. Yeah, just thought you'd like to see all of this recycled boat wood furniture in this shop. There's so many of these boats, shelf units. Wow. Hello. Wow. Well, certainly love what he does here.